Yes guys, welcome back my people. The Mark again giving you a beautiful tour from Bahia Principal. Guys, this property is so big, so I have to give you in stages. So this is another side of Bahia. Yeah, so sit back, relax and enjoy the tour from Bahia Principal. Okay, this area is so tropical. You can hear the bird. Look here, you can hear the bird sing. And look here. Look at this breadfruit tree right here. You can just come right here and pick the breadfruit. Look at this. Look at this. It's all young breadfruit on the tree right now. All right. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go around the other side. Yeah. Yeah. So nothing nice when you come out and you put your light and you on your balcony like that and hear all the birds singing. All the birds. Yeah. Do you hear? You can hear all different type of birds from right on the patio there. Yeah. So this already sign we can take you different places. All right. So we are going this way. See how tall the building is. So right down here you have another restaurant down there. And I coming back, I go down there. So if you cannot manage the walking, they have all these buggy can take care around the property. See that? So you can use those buggy and go right around the property, you know? All right. Yeah. So they are trimming the coconut leaf off the tree, you know? So this is the water park for the kids. Okay. I'll get a cup of water right here. Yeah, just a glass of water. Yeah, the evening is hot. Yeah. Okay, thank you, my brother.
No problem.
So this is to the kids club. All right. Yes, brother. So this is another side of the beach area. Hey, sir.
What's up, my brother?
What's up?
I'm here, man. You?
Well, I'm good enough.
Yeah.
No coconut?
Huh?
No jelly coconut?
Nothing for you today?
I don't have a wallet at me.
No problem, brother.
Yeah, I leave the wallet back in the room, you know.
Still respect and honor, brother.
Yes, that is so true. Just
Yeah, man. Blessed and prosperous.
yes, man. So you there here every day?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you sell all of these stuff here.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So, so you're making a what necklace?
No, bracelet.
Bracelet. Okay, okay, nice. You have some nice artwork here.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that beach right around the corner there is what? Is the nude beach?
No, yeah. The nude beach is behind the fence. You can't see the nude beach. The nude beach fence out. You can't,
Oh, it's fenced off.
yeah, you can't see over there.
Okay, so if you walk, I can walk out and go straight around here?
Right around, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Don't scare and you have bar down there. You can get it.
Okay, nice. All right. So this here is for private job. Wow. This water is shallow right here. Yeah. I have to come and get a swim early in the morning. Tomorrow morning I come and get a swim right here. You know? Wow. Love to hear the wind boxing up. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
You good?
Yes, man. Good, more than good, man.
All right, my brother.
Yeah, man.
All right, take care.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. All right. Go around that side and see. Wow. This property is huge. I mean, this resort is huge. Yeah. Beach here, it's long. Where you say? I thought me see you pretty up your craft work.
Well, craft this is do the work, you know.
Oh, you just do the work.
Yeah, me like craft.
Oh, you like the craft. Okay, okay, nice. Wow. So that is a floating what? Oh, floating trap. Is your thing? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Oh, it's a floating shop. Okay. Yeah. Nice. So when you're ready, you just float around on the sea, come around. Oh. Okay, okay, nice. Yeah. Okay, so this thing are the floating shop. They have one here and one out here. Look at that. Wow. This is cool. And you also have one out there. You can actually walk way out there, way out over there. Wow. That is so cool. Yeah, man. Okay, guys. That's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright? So let's catch you in the other one. Yeah.